video every Saturday.
Heading to the highest point in West Virginia, and we're on a little narrow road that we're taking for 12 miles. East overlook at Spruce Knob. We're not to the top yet, but here's the first view, which is pretty incredible. (4,863 feet), the highest point in West Virginia, the mountain state. Let's go check it out. It's thrown up at the highest point in West Virginia. (3W) Outdoors at the highest point in West Virginia, Spruce Knob. Highest point in West Virginia. We're on an observation deck. Wyatt, I think, was car sick and threw up. Walker has a slight fever. So 3W Outdoors is just kind of limping along today.
He doesn't like the one up there at the Spruce Knob. Have you been to Spruce Knob?
3W Outdoors, highest spot in West Virginia. We're here. It was about a 900-foot walk, but a 12-mile drive straight up the mountain. Wyatt threw up when we got here. He christened the mountain.
That means I marked the spot.
He marked the spot.
Hit the subscribe button for more great videos. Hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video on the 3W Outdoors channel.